IB Juniors. All right, so here's what we got going tomorrow. Make sure you get the do now assignment done. And then, and this is key, this is a big deal, check your times for the discussion. For if you're in fourth period, you might not even know, so you got to check. If you're in the fourth period class roster plus Esther, you'll be discussing from 11 to 11:30. So you need to be ready. And if you are on the sixth period class roster, you'll be discussing from 11:30 to noon. Okay, so that's the deal. Third up here, the World War I test is going to be due on Monday. You can access that now if you want and start looking at it. There's only 16 questions. It's like 57 points, but again, you can use whatever you need. It makes those assessments significantly easier than they've been in the past. So that's already there for you to begin if you would like. And then, as always, contact me if you need anything. All right. Have a great day.